Hello friends, welcome to Sri Agarwal Academy. I Ratan Agarwal welcome to today's session. Today we are going to continue expansions. In the previous videos you will have seen expansions of quadratic form a plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square, and we also saw a plus b bracket cube. So in today's video we are going to see a minus b bracket cube, first term minus second term bracket cube. This is again going to help you to find the cubes of very large numbers like 97 cube, 997 cube, 995 cube, and so on. So just pay attention completely and you will understand this expansion. It's so easy. Okay. So a minus b bracket cube. As I told you, x cube means x into x into x. P cube means p into p into p. Cube of any number means that number multiplied by itself 3 times. Similarly, a minus b bracket cube means this bracket is going to be multiplied by itself 3 times. A minus b, a minus b, a minus b. ये ब्रैकेट 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है खुद से. सर इसका आगे एक्सपांशन कैसे होगा? ध्यान देंगे. इन दोनों का एक्सपांशन तो हमको मालूम है. We have studied a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. I am repeating, a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay sir, we remember sir. And this a minus b is sitting here as a multiplicand. Now sir, when we have to do this multiplication, you have to do distributive property. You have to distribute this a over all these terms. So a into bracket a square minus 2ab plus b square, a into this bracket minus b into this bracket again. Am I clear till here? Okay. Now we will open the brackets. We will multiply every term with a and with b. A into a square is a cube. A into a square is a cube. Minus, when this gets multiplied, a into 2a is 2a square, minus sign will remain. 2a into a is 2a square and b remains as it is, no problem. Plus a into b square is ab square. A into b square is ab square. Minus into plus is minus. B into a square, b into a square. Minus into minus is plus. When b gets multiplied, it will become b square, 2ab square, 2ab square. And when this b gets multiplied with b square, minus into plus is minus, b into b square is b cube. If you remember, in a plus b bracket cube, here we used to get plus b cube, here we are getting minus b cube. So now, again, if you remember in the previous method or previous expansion, we saw in these 4 terms, there are 2 different types of terms. This is a square b wala term, this is a square b wala term. This is ab square wala term, this is ab square wala term. So maybe we can say these are mangoes, these are apples. These are males, these are females, whatever you want to say. But now we have to collect them together. Like terms are to be collected. So now in the next step, we are going to do that and write as first term a cube, no change. Minus 2 apples, minus 1 apple is minus 3 apples. Minus 2a square b minus a square b is minus 3a square b. Now we will take these 2 terms. 2 mangoes plus 1 mango is 3 mangoes. 2ab square plus 1ab square is plus 3ab square. And this is the last term minus b cube. Now if you see here, again, all the coefficients are same, all the terms are same, only there is a difference in sign. If you see in a plus b bracket cube, it was a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. But here it is plus, minus, plus, minus. Alternate terms are plus and minus, rest all things are same. Again here I am explaining you, the powers of A goes on decreasing, the powers of B go on increasing. A cube, A square, A raised to 0, B raised to 0, B raised to 1, B raised to 2, B raised to 3. If this is understood by us, this is A minus B bracket cube, first form. And the same formula, same expansion can be written by taking some things common from these two terms. I would write that as, this is A cube, here 3 is common, A is common, lowest power we have to take common, B is common, lowest power we have to take common, and from both of them we will take a minus sign common. So if from 3A square B I am taking 3AB common, minus is already gone, only plus will remain. A square में से A गया, A बचा, प्लस में से माइनस बाहर गया, माइनस बचा, B स्क्वायर में से B गया, केवल B बचा, एंड ये B क्यूब तो चुपचाप बैठा है. तो A minus B cube has these two forms as expansions. Both are correct. We can take whichever form is required in the problem. So this is A minus B bracket cube. If it is C minus D bracket cube, same thing will happen. C cube minus 3C square D plus 3CD square minus D cube. Or how we can write? C cube minus 3CD into bracket C minus D minus D cube. Yes, very easy. Sir, why is this to be learnt? See again, all these expansion formulae are required to find the cubes of large numbers. Because when you try to find the cubes of any numbers or squares of any numbers by the long multiplication method, it will take more time. Let us see an example here of how this is used. So application or use of this formula. Suppose they tell us find 98's cube. Now see here, in the conventional method, you have to take 98 into 98. 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, and so on. I am not going to tell everything. Whatever you are going to get, again you have to multiply it by 8 because this is 98 ka square. 98 ka square into 98 will give you, and here you will get the answer, long multiplication method. Sir, time consuming hai. So we will use this method and get it in very short way. So I think 98 means 100 minus 2. Now this is our A, this is our B, A minus B bracket cube, formula apply कीजिए, substitute कीजिए, simplify करिए, आंसर मिलाइए. तो मैं कैसे लिखूंगा सर इसको? ये वाला फॉर्म ज्यादा इजी लगेगा अपने को इसके बजाय ये करेंगे तो भी सेम आंसर आने वाला है, ये करेंगे तो भी सेम आंसर आने वाला है. ये कॉम्पैक्ट फॉर्म है. तो मैं बोलूंगा A क्यूब minus 3AB into A minus B. देखो 3AB into bracket A minus B cube minus B cube. Okay sir. Sir, 1000 का क्यूब ये 10 raised to 2 है, raised to 3, 10 raised to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 203 is 698 minus 8. बहुत सिंपल है. अगर आप अच्छे से ध्यान दोगे और प्रॉपर करोगे, किसी भी स्टेप में मिस्टेक नहीं करोगे, तो आपको आंसर परफेक्टली करेक्ट आना ही है. ओके सर. सर 1 2 3 4 5 6 माइनस, अब देखो इसको कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ओरली कैसे करना है. हाँ, ये 2 0 तो इधर एंड में आएंगे सर. तो 98 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है सर. 6 8 48, 6 9 54 प्लस 4 58 माइनस 8. वाह वाह वाह. सर ये दोनों नंबर नेगेटिव है, इसमें से माइनस करने हैं हमको. इसका मतलब हम इन दोनों को ऐड कर सकते हैं, दोनों नेगेटिव हैं, तो मैं इसको अगले स्टेप में कैसे लिखता हूं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 माइनस, इन दोनों को एडिशन करेंगे तो यहाँ 8 आ जाएगा, 58808। समझ में आ गया होगा आपको। सो नाउ इसको लास्ट स्टेज सिंप्लीफिकेशन में लेके चलते हैं अपन लोग। सर 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5, so we have to start from here, 808885, सबट्रैक्ट करना है सर हमको, बोरो करेंगे, 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 5 4, और ये 9 बचा। इसका मतलब सर 98 का क्यूब कितना हुआ सर, 941192, ये हमारा फाइनल आंसर है। समझ में आया? सो देखो 98 क्यूब was that way a very big number, long multiplication was required, but if you use this concept here, the answer comes very fast. So I hope you understood. I'm putting all these concepts, all these expansions, all these derivations on my YouTube channel called Sri Agarwal Academy. You can go there and see. Lot of things are there in the playlist. You can browse and get whatever you want. I'm explaining you concepts right from 2nd standard till 9-10 standard. Go and search, you will get lot of things there. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. You can follow me and make maths your friend. Thank you very much for today.